Aussie has got all the sparkle. The dollar is bottom of the pile. I'm still interested in being long. I hit all my targets, but now I'm waiting for retracement before I'll consider entering yet again. I'm not saying it will go down. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 20 August 2024. Today I will be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, short on the yen, the Swiss and the US dollar. Dollar index now cutting through the support level here, and that support now most likely will become resistance. I think it already sort of happened, but we will see when it gets back there. But this definitely now becomes resistance for the dollar. Everything bearish, my intraday indicator bearish, short term, medium term, long term, everything bearish, closing below, which is solid on the lows of the candle for the day. So we could expect a little bit of a retracement, a retest. It could even go as far as this maybe, and then reverse from there again. So my next stop is down here. So I'll stay dollar bearish for as long as possible. As long as my indicators tell me that I can short the dollar, I will keep going with it. That would push gold up most likely. Let's hope for the breakout there. If it breaks in the morning, no. If it breaks after 12-ish chart time, midday, just before the US sessions open, if it breaks then it's fine. But early morning, no, that break will not be good for us. We still need about 3 hours for this candle to confirm this for me to be a consolidation. Let's hope for this. If it keeps going now, it will be fantastic. On a weak dollar, I want to be long gold, and that breakout would suit me very, very well. Bitcoin, strong bounce last night. I see yesterday a little bit of a lower shadow, giving a little bit of a bounce, testing that 61 levels yet again. Yeah, that could be great if it can stays above 61 and keeps going. The 60 is a big level. Then it must negotiate 63. Then it must negotiate against 66. Ultimately, I would like to see, before I'll get really serious. Yes, I do my monthly dollar averaging purchases and everything, and that I got lucky in buying in some of these lows, not because of any skill, just pure luck. But I would be very aggressive when we start to see good solid breaks above. But if this red line turns blue, which should take in this fashion 2, 3, 4 days, maybe early next week, I'll definitely start to look for small buy options here on the daily chart. But other than that, I'm sitting aside, not doing much. But I see across the board, the whole crypto space, a lot of bullishness came in yesterday. But most of the trends are bearish. I will not respond on that by buying. I'll just sit and wait until the trend confirms itself. I need the bulls to prove themselves. If I look at this, the bulls have broken to a new, the bears have broken to a new low. Now it's hovering sideways. One little candle doesn't change the trend. All we need is the trend to change, price action to confirm by making solid new highs, then I'll consider buying in. Aussie US, we went long there, we had the breakout trades there and everything, and we got targets on both of them. Beautiful stuff, guys. Well done on this, and congratulations with the very nice profits. And now with the Aussie still up there and the dollar down there, so Aussie has got all the sparkle. The dollar is bottom of the pile. I'm still interested in being long. I hit all my targets, but now I'm waiting for retracement before I'll consider entering yet again. I'm not saying it will go down. It's if it goes down and it touches the level and the bulls can prove themselves, I'll definitely consider some more longs there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Pound US also, I gave you these long here. It did the first target and the second target now. So 2 stunning profits for us here. Then on the Nasdaq, a very nice flat top triangle forming. You can see on the dollar weakness, I want to be long or stock market bullish. And on a weak dollar, that's definitely the direction. You can see the price action is doing it. The indicator tells me it's bullish. So a retest of that flat top triangle, if it can test that again with a nice candle reversal, I'll then consider some longs here also. In the pound Swiss, pound green zone, Swiss red zone. So I want to be long here. A little bit of a consolidation. I don't want to be long in that area, so I'm going to wait for the retracement back here, testing the 61% level, right, the structure here. Once I get a candle reversal there, the bulls have proven themselves, I'll take some longs. New Zealand Swiss, breaking a flat top triangle, rising bottoms, flat top. But it becomes structure. That's all I'm after. And the market still needs to confirm the structure. How will they do that? They need to retest and they need to confirm by a nice bullish candle reversal for me. Then I'll consider some longs. New Zealand, green zone, Swiss red zone. So I want to be long here. I just need to time it well. Then on the pound CAD, you can see green zone, CAD neutral, not after that, but I'm after the pound long, but not in this consolidation yet. I'm going to need a retracement back to 50% level here, structure coming in there, and once the bulls can prove that, then I'll confirm, and then I'll take some long positions. Aussie, Swiss. Aussie, all the sparkle, Swiss red zone, need a retest back to 60-50 or 50-61% level, structure coming in there. That's the area. I need the market to test that, confirm structure by a candle reversal. Aussie CAD, nice. Aussie, all the sparkle. CAD, neutral, not after that, but I'm after the Aussie long. I'll do anything to get Aussie longs. I need the retracement back to the 50-61% level, structure coming in there, and if I get a test, bulls prove themselves with a strong candle reversal, I'll take some long positions there. And the US CAD falling like a rock. Well, dollar is at the bottom of the pile. CAD neutral, not after that, I'm after the dollar short. For now, a retracement back to the 50% level, right at structure coming in there. Missed the structure there, but this is the most recent level the market confirmed. Once it can test that level there, I get a strong candle reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.